Hi, I'm Adam with Datavideo here at ISE 2023. Just want to show you our brand new presentation switcher, the iCast Mini. So this is a 2-channel 4K presentation switcher. The idea being that we can have one 4K camera and a secondary HDMI source, so that would typically be a PowerPoint presentation. This switcher has a full 4K HDMI output to go to a projector or to a large screen. And it also has a UVC USB-C output, so that can go directly into a laptop and interface with Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Skype, or any other video conferencing platform. So we can switch between both of the live sources, as you expect. We also have picture modes, and the PIP is fully customizable. You can change the border, the size, and the location of the PIP. What's really unique about this solution, though, is that we also have camera control built in. So here we have our PTC 285, so this is a 4K auto-tracking PTZ camera. So as well as controlling the two sources in terms of vision mixing, we can actually control the camera at the same time. This is designed to be driven by someone who isn't a video production professional, so this is preset-driven control. So you can see on the screen here we've got 4 presets. When you create a preset, the iCast Mini actually takes a screen grab of the camera's position and it becomes the thumbnail. So to change the position of the camera, all we do is tap the preset and you'll see the camera automatically moves to the correct position. We can also control the camera's auto-tracking functionality from here. So we just hit the AT button right there and we can then go full body, half body, or head and shoulders, and the camera will automatically start tracking the first human subject that it locks onto. We also have a built-in audio mixer. So as well as taking in embedded audio on the 2 HDMI inputs, we can take in unbalanced RCA audio and balanced XLR audio from a professional desk. Oh, sorry. For more information, please visit www.datavideo.com.